Yeah, well, we do we just follow our regular procedure. We take we take down the power when it is not safe.
Hindi marunong maging presidente.
It's really the flooding that we're going to have to deal with. So, ano na gawin natin?
Sir, the Vice President said that you don't know how to be a president.
Hindi rin nagsalita si First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos na hingan namin ng komento kay VP Sara.
Ipagdasal natin ang Pilipinas. Ipagdasal natin ang Pilipinas.
In the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit.